Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to send multiple photos on Gmail using your PC, especially with the latest updates that make this process smoother than ever. Whether you're sharing vacation memories or important documents, these steps will help you get it done efficiently. First, start by opening your web browser and navigating to gmail.com. Make sure you're signed into your account. If you're not logged in, enter your credentials and access your inbox. Once you're in, look towards the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a button labeled Compose. Click on this to open a new email window. This is where you'll write your message and attach those precious photos. Now that you have your Compose window open, it's time to attach your photos. Look for the attachment icon, which resembles a paperclip, located next to the message bar at the bottom of the window. Click on this icon to proceed. A file selection window will pop up, allowing you to browse through your computer's files. Navigate to the folder where your photos are stored. You can select multiple photos by holding down the Ctrl key while clicking on each photo you want to include. Once you've made your selections, click Open. This action will attach all chosen photos to your email. Before sending, take a moment to craft your message. Write a note in the body of the email, and don't forget to fill in the recipient's email address and the subject line. This is crucial for ensuring your email reaches the right person with all necessary context. Finally, once everything looks good and you're ready to share those memories or important images, click on the Send button. Your email will be dispatched with all attached photos in just a few clicks. And there you have it. You've successfully sent multiple photos via Gmail on your PC using the new update. This simple process not only saves time, but also makes sharing with friends and family a breeze. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check back for more helpful tips and tutorials.